You can see that pouring rain, as if someone is on the sky and just putting the buckets of water like water. You feel it. Okay. Anyway, we all smile with all this joke, no? But think about the people, those who are lost the houses now and the farms, all that. Okay, dear. So these are the changes. The same thing I'm just asking you. Uh, Now let us come back to yourself. Okay, while you are a 1 year old and now you are a 12-year-old girl and boy, did you change yourself?
Yes.
Freya, can you tell
Yes.
me what changes in you?
Ma'am, I developed so many things and I have
You have?
grown up, ma'am.
You are grown up. Okay, we are Manu. What changes in you from 1 year old baby to 12-year-old boy? What changes in you?
I have teeth.
You have
Teeth.
teeth. You have got a very beautiful teeth. Correct. Okay. Fine. Gautam, what are the changes took place in you? You can walk. You can run. Okay. Advika, what changes in you? From 1 year. You became? You became?
I can talk.
You can talk. Okay. You can talk. Okay. Rasil, what changes took place now?
Ma'am, now we can ride cycles.
You can do the cycling. Correct. Okay. Chinmay, what changes took place in you? What changes? Are you the same 1 year old baby who is drinking mother's milk? No. So what changes you took place in you? Tell. Yeah. Okay. You are grown up. Okay. Rudra Krishna, what changes took place in you? No change.
No, ma'am.
Uh,
Excuse me, ma'am.
are you the same baby who is? Are you the same baby who is crawling on the floor?
No, ma'am.
Then what? Now how you look like? Tell me.
Like
Are you
a
tall?
grown-up.
Are you fatty?
I am tall.
You became tall. Okay, very good. That's why I wanted. Okay, Anandesh, what changes took place in you?
Mom, I can write and I can study.
You can study. Okay, Brightlin, what changes took place in you?
Ma'am, I can solve the Rubik's Cube.
Okay. Oh, you all are thinking about the academic. Only academic changes. There is no other changes around you. Huh? Yes, Angelina.
Ma'am, change in our food. In 1 year, we put baby food. Now we are eating chicken.
That is the food to say. Okay, very good. Racine, yes, tell me.
Ma'am, my old teeth gone and new teeth came.
New teeth. Oh, you all are old teeth gone, new teeth came. Okay, someone Neha. Tell me, Neha.
Ma'am, my hair has grown.
Your hair has grown. See, so if I ask everyone, you will see so many things. Yes, from 1 year old baby to a grown-up girl by 12 years old, there's a lot of, some of you become very taller, your features are gone. While you are a baby, your grandmothers or grandfather used to say, she looks like you, he looks like me. He looks like father, he looks like uncle, all that. After that, will they say now by looking at you, you look like father, grandmother and all? No, correct. Yes, it is. You are totally different. Each person, maybe somewhere here, if you turn this side, maybe your mother's cheek, you may get, or father's nose, you may get. Okay. Sometimes your character may be grandfather's also. Sometimes. Okay. It's a part of gene. Clear. Sometimes you behave like your grandmother's character. Suppose, no? And some of you became very bold. You became courageous, like from that old baby, and you started talking, speaking, dancing. Some of you started finding the talents in you by 12-year-old, correct? So
Yes,
all
ma'am.
these are changes. If you look at around us,
Ma'am,
all these are,
my sister grew.
what about
She,
you did not grow?
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I grew, but she is a baby now. She started talking, walking
Yes.
like that.
Climbing the staircase. Okay, doing all kind of circles. Correct. So all this.
Throwing
Yes.
things.
Yeah, you started thinking, you started to understand who is who, you started to identify the apples, mangoes, all those things. Yes, so these are changes. Okay, so what do you think about it? This changes the growth as a from baby to a girl. What type of changes you are having? Suppose if you look at your face, yeah, your physic has changed, correct? So these all changes we can divide into two category. The first category what we talk about is physical change. You became tall. Once you became tall, if Anandan Raj became tall, is the Anandan Raj is different person now? As a baby, he was Anandan Raj. Now also he is Anandan Raj. Correct? There's no change. Only he grew. That's all. Okay. His body grew and he grew. His face grew. Is Anandan? Yes. Yeah. Similarly, if you look at each one of you, some have got long hair, some have got a small hair. So all these. So these are physical changes. Even you are a baby, still you are Pavitra, you are Richard. Now you are a 12-year-old boy and girl, still you are Pavitra and Richard. There is no changes. Okay, only thing your features have changed, your shape has changed, your size has changed, your length has changed. Clear? So all these things are, we call it as a physical change. Okay, these are not a physical change. Now morning. Shall I ask Adinath? Unmute. Adinath, what did you have today morning for your breakfast?
Ma'am, I didn't have anything.
You didn't have anything. Okay, good. Agni, what did you have for today morning?
Ma'am, I also didn't have anything.
That is, you got up now, all of you, and just coming in front of the class. Okay, in front of
Now
the.
I work already.
Okay.
Breakfast.
Okay, Richard. Yes, come. What did you have for breakfast?
Dosha and sambar.
Oh, dosa and sambar. Very good. Okay. Nutrient food did you have? Will dosa sambar will remain as it is in your stomach when you come to the lunch? Till afternoon time? No. What will happen to your dosa and sambar? It digested. Can you tell me, is it physical change or any other change? Richard?
Not physical change.
It is not a physical change. Fully, it is not a physical change. But digestion, when you study for biology, it's a biological change. You can say that is, it is already digested. Dosa changed his, its size, shape, and it turned into glucose, carbohydrates, and the nutrients. So this is known as chemical change. Correct? Physical change means there is no change in the substance. The substance is same. There is a substance same. Okay. Dia, did you have your tea at least or milk? What did you have in the morning?
Ma'am, I didn't have anything.
You didn't have, not a cup of tea also.
No,
Huh?
ma'am.
So sad. Don't come like those who did not have breakfast. Get up at least by 7:30. Have something, brush, have bath, and come for Zoom class. Don't come. Get up. I think.
Ma'am,
Ah.
I woke up at 7.
Okay, very good. You had a bath. Okay, fine. Okay. Isha, did you have a cup of tea? At least milk, something?
No, I didn't eat anything today.
Yeah, you all are people going to suffer acidity. Okay.
Ma'am,
Angelina Martin, did you have a tea?
No, ma'am. I will after this class.
And I drink water also.
Anyone have? Okay, only Richard has dosa and sambar. What about others?
No, ma'am,
Fine. Okay.
Ma'am, I had a cup of tea.
Okay, Tania. Yes, Tania, what did you have?
Ma'am, I have egg.
You had egg. You didn't have the tea or milk? Nothing?
I don't like to drink in the morning.
So you all are going to suffer acidity. Angelina, what did you drink today?
Ma'am, I drank a cup of tea. Ma'am, coffee and idli and sambar.
Okay. So now I am going to ask you, Angelina, you had a coffee, you put the sugar.
Yes.
When you are drinking coffee, did you see the sugar inside of the coffee?
No, ma'am, it is mixed well.
It's mixed well. Correct. Okay. What is the color of before making coffee? What is the color of the water and milk over there?
Ma'am, milk was white, water was no color. No.
Colorless. Colorless. Once you put the coffee powder, what happened to the coffee?
Ma'am, if it is without milk, we can see it is turning to one
Dark
brown.
color. Okay. Black coffee, you call it.
Yes, ma'am. And here we can see a light brown color like
Brown
that.
color. Okay. Yes. So, is this a chemical change or a physical change?
Chemical change.
Chemical change.
Chemical change. Why did you say it's a chemical change?
Because the sugar and milk can all change its color.
Color.
And
Yes, correct. Now you got it. What is the difference between chemical and physical? The thing is that if you grow from a 1-year baby to a 12-year-old girl, you are still the same person. Only your shape, size, all that things are changed. Okay, nothing else. You are the same person.
ma'am,
But-
we have fully changed.
Yeah, while you make coffee, tea, juice, anything, what will happen? The things, before making coffee, how was the substance? After making coffee, it is another substance. A new substance is formed. Okay, we don't call coffee as water and milk. Okay, before making coffee, we will say, I put water and milk. After making coffee, you don't call the coffee water and milk, correct? We call it coffee. It is a new substance. And what else? It changed its color. Color also changed. There is no color of milk in that. There is no color of water in that. And it is totally a new substance. So this is known as chemical change. So what is physical change? In physical change, only shape, size. The changes will take place only in outside. Outside means how it looks like. Only that. Okay, that will change. But when you come to the chemical change, the substance totally got a new makeover. Correct? We will say makeover in movies, no? When the celebrities put a lot of paint and all, it is a totally makeover, correct? But if you see this beautiful celebrities and without a makeup, they are not even they are not even beautiful. Maybe some of you may more beautiful. Some of you may be more beautiful than those celebrities. So this is the magic of the light, computer, and as well as the makeup. Okay, but if you look at a person with full of makeup, you say she. You say, why he put a whitewash on the face? You say it. If you look at any Malayalam serial, those who have a highly defined TV, you can see their faces with a lot of color and all those things. Correct?
Ma'am, when I came, my grandmother was watching it. So I just walked to that time. A lady was wake-upping from the bed, full of makeups and jewelry.
Yeah, but if you see that lady actually waking up from the sleep, you will not even look at that lady's face. Correct? Okay. So it is a totally change makeover. We'll say makeover. Correct. And but why all are not actresses and actors? Some of them, when they are in front of camera, when you look it through the camera eyes, they look more prettier than yours. We call it photogenic. They are. Okay, not all. Some, they are very talented, but when they go to the camera, they are not that much attractive or something. So that is something. Okay, that is leave it. But there is also is a physical change only. The face with a lot of makeup and a face without a lot of makeup, same face, but only that shade, the makeup is different. But chemical change means you are going to get a totally a complete new substance. So these are the two types of changes which you see around us: physical change and as well as chemical change. Okay, so shall we go to the first thing, changes around us?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So I think you got the idea very well. This is a very simple chapter. We don't have much to study in this chapter. only to identify which is physical, which is chemical. Only that's all. Okay. So all of you can write as introduction part. The changes around us. Can you put the chapter 6 in your lecture note? Today's date. Okay, so chapter 6, changes around us. And you can write below that the introduction part. Before we go to physical change and chemical change, you go to the introduction part. All of you write the chapter's name.
Ma'am, we're all
Okay, then below that you can write changes around us can be divided into two categories.
Ma'am, this which you are writing, we should write.
Yeah, write in the lecture notes. Okay. Number 1, physical change. Number 2, chemical change. Only this much write. Afterwards, I will tell you what to write. Okay. Changes around us can be divided into two categories. One is physical change. Second one is chemical change. Yeah. So example, you can write what you have seen on this. Okay. First, we will discuss about all of you. After writing this, right now, physical change. First, we discuss about physical change. Then we go to the chemical change. So all of you give the heading physical change. Did you complete?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, hope everyone completed. Now, what do you mean by physical change? So you can write under physical change does not produce a new substance. Physical change does not produce a new substance. You can just write that line and then some examples. Okay. So many examples you can write.
Can you zoom out?
Here in example of physical change, you can just write EG. There is no need of this, no need of explanation like this. You can just write physical change is a change which does not produce a new substance. And it example, crushing a can, melting an ice cream, etc. After writing the example, you can continue with what I am writing on the board now. In this case, the changes take place in terms of change in shape, size, length, height, weight, etc. Okay. So this is the reason for one activity or one action, we can say it is a physical change. If there is any change in shape, size, length, height, weight, etc. I think some of you are not muted. Can you mute it? I can hear some sound.
Yeah.
Rudra, can you mute it, my dear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Maybe some sound. Okay, fine. Did you complete?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So, shape, size, length, height, weight, etc.
Finish, ma'am.
I hope everyone completed.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, we will wait. No problem. I can still some not Rudra, some other houses. Mothers are talking in the kitchen. Mother or father. Some lady sound I can hear.
Ma'am, I was having a doubt.
What doubt, Tanya?
Ma'am, the essay1 notes, which it will be there in the SC2 exam.
Pardon?
This essay1 notes before chapters, that will be there in the SC2 exam.
No, that now don't ask Tanya. We did not come. We just completed term 1. Okay. So that I cannot say now. I can say only month of January. But there will be some term 1 chapters will be there. As usual, last year also we had same thing, correct? Okay. Yes. That we cannot say now. So children, you can, if you want, you can write more examples: physical change, breaking glass, mixing candies, shredding pepper, folding paper, chopping wood. The wood, if you cut into pieces, also still it remain as a wood. Cutting hair, dry ice, boiling, breaking egg is a physical change.
Previous slide. Ma'am, can you show the previous slide?
Yes, yes. Adidev, I'm taking attendance. Adidev present.
Ma'am, Adnan.
Agnay present. Okay, Alim Sian, is it present? Alim Sian.
No, ma'am, absent.
Adil Shafiq.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Advika present. Alok coming and going. Okay, still he is present. Ambrose present.
ma'am.
Okay, Ammu is present.
Absent, ma'am.
Oh, absent. Amna Fatima
Absent, ma'am.
absent. So many absent. Anandesh.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Anandan Raj.
Present, ma'am.
Angelina Jose. Angelina Martin.
Present, ma'am.
Anha Fatima.
Both Angelina.
And
Okay, fine. Absent. Okay. Shall I change the slide? Those who want to write more examples.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you send the slide?
Yeah. I can send it. I will send it after sending this to my mail. Okay. It is not in my mail. After sending that only I can give you in your WhatsApp. Okay. So next, Ayman. Ayman is present?
No, ma'am.
Bhuvanalakshmi. Absent. Blesswin.
Present.
Present. Brightlin. Present.
Present,
Catherine Maria.
Absent, ma'am.
Absent?
Absent.
Okay. Chinmay. Present. Tia, Isha,
Present, ma'am.
Gautam. Okay. John Sebi, not present. Okay. Neha Sharath,
Present, ma'am.
Pavitra, present. Okay. Praveen is present.
Absent,
Absent. Rasil, Richard, Racine, Rohit. All these are present, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Rudra Krishna present. Cheryl Mary present. Siva Gayatri. What happened, Siva Gayatri? Is she
Yes, ma'am.
present?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shreya present. Sri Shankar present. Tanya, Manu. Vinayak Rajivan is present.
No, ma'am, absent.
Tanya is
Absent.
present.
Tanya, I said. Okay. Vishnu Venu.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Vaigari.
Present,
Present. Okay.
Ma'am.
I think that's enough. No. So
Ma'am.
5 examples enough. Okay. This is only for you. For you to. You want to see the slide again?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
No. Tell me.
Ma'am, changing cotton into dress, it's physical change?
Cotton into
Dress.
that is chemical change because it is totally new substance, correct? Cotton, cotton in turning into cloth is a totally new substance because we are
Ma'am,
putting the
yes,
colors, all that.
Ma'am, can you once more explain what is called physical change?
Physical change. Physical change means even shape or size changes, still the substance is same. For example, if I crush a paper, and even after crushing also the paper remains paper itself, correct? Only
Yes,
what
ma'am.
I did, I made a ball, correct? That's all. Similarly, if I cut one stick into small pieces, still stick has the same property, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Only it turn into small size. So that is a difference, that it is a physical change. So chemical change, we will study detail in the next class. Okay.
Ma'am, I understand.
Similarly,
Thank
the
you, ma'am.
cloth. Similarly, a frog you cut into pieces. But still the color frog, its shape, everything changed, but frog remains, that cloth remains same, correct? Is there any changes in the cloth? No.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So many are asking. Okay, Vaigari? Yes.
Ma'am, tomorrow class is there.
Tomorrow Deepavali holiday. Yes, Gaudam.
Ma'am, I have a doubt that melting ice. So ice is changing into water. Is it a physical or chemical?
It's a physical change because the ice is still a water. Correct? The ice is formed of water, but what is the only problem? It is changing from solid to liquid state. So that we are discussing at the end of this chapter. You are coming to that.
Ice can form a new
Physical change. See, we just started the chapter. You are going to clarify all these doubts in the coming classes. Okay, we just started the first part. Clear? Yes, Rhea.
Ironing the clothes. So is it a physical change? Means
Which one, Shreya?
Ironing the clothes.
Ironing the clothes is a physical change. Means, is there any shape or size changing in the ironing clothes?
No, ma'am.
No. Only thing, it is becoming stiff and stuff. Correct. That's all. But burning the cloth, it's a chemical change. Correct. A cloth is burning. A paper is burning because after burning you are getting ashes. Correct. You are not getting the clothes back or paper back. So we will discuss in the next class about it detail. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you very much. Have a nice